You live in the C-block circle, the area, so why not?
So what the fuck, nigga? I don't like C-block.
Okay, but
I don't even get fit.
Right, so what the fuck?
you don't know what C-block is.
Right.
So why don't you like it and you don't know what it is?
How the fuck you remember all those people?
Cause you talking about this so shit. Don't make me be cussing though.
Oh, take that, he's not dribble! Like you like my That's not funny. That's not. Because my brother's in prison. That's not funny. Yes. He is.
Your brother ain't never coming out, nigga.
No, he can get out before then. He's on the but he's trying to get people. And you found out.
Nice one, boy.
Hey, Blue! Tell Trey stop shooting.
I'm gonna tell my brother, I'm like, Jonte was talking shit about you.
After I came from no, don't make me say
Shut up, bro.
Come on, Pootie Tang! Go Corey!
Damn!
Let's go, London! It was!
They better than y'all 100 times.
Now last year, did I make my point? So don't ever come.
But you still suck though.
Okay, Jonte, do I suck? No, do I suck? I really don't suck.
Man, you suck, nigga. Shut up. Shut that lip.